A beautiful centerpiece that you can make by yourself. How beautiful it is. The first thing that you need is a candle for that. A designer candle would be the greatest option for this. So let's see the materials that are needed to make this beautiful wreath. So here I have taken a square piece. You can use a square or rectangle, but square is the best one to use, or you can even use a circular cardboard piece like this that you are seeing. I also have a few more items like Fevikwik. It can be a Fevibond, any glue. You can also have a scissors to cut the branches, the plants, the paper, cardboard, so that we can shape it up. I have a few flowers like this. There's a pink peony flower, white peony. It's a little big one. Big ones are better. It has a few petals like this down, and all you see is like white and pink mix of big peony flowers. It is available in any craft store or good ones, I would say. Then here I also have some baby's breath flower. It's a bunch that I've got. I'm going to cut it and use it in between to fill the wreath. It is bendable, so I can just like cut it off. Now the next one I'm using is some green leaves. As you see, again I bought it as a bunch, but we will be cutting it and sticking it all around as the base of this wreath piece that I have lying around. First we'll put some glue
have a
on that
it can be a thermocol piece or sponge. Some people also use floral foam
material.
I did not have any floral foam
there
with
because
me, so
I'm just using a small the flowers or leaves to stand there more strongly. So first you take your piece, put some glue on it and stick it onto the cardboard piece that we have. Now the back of the cardboard looks like this and the front looks like this. So the back would be the bottom portion, which looks very neat. Now I have cut the leaves as you see like this, and we have to poke it around there. See the use of the sponge, like you can just poke it directly onto the sponge piece. You can apply some glue also. Now after doing it, this is how it looks. See, the back looks so neat and the inside looks like this all around with green leaves as the border. So this way it looks very neat in the back, where you just see the cardboard and you see the leaves that are all around, so that it hides the cardboard piece from the inside. Now next option is like we'll be keeping the flowers. I have not stuck any of this. I'm just like cutting. Our next option would be taking the baby's breath and sticking it all around. See, as you can see over here, I have not used any glue for now. I'm just like showing you how it will look after we arrange it. So we have to poke the position just close to the peony flowers. That's why I've just like kept the peony flowers over here, and next to it or in between the peony flowers we want this baby's breath flowers poked and kept so that it stays. So our next stage would be to stick the peony flowers in between, or finding the position first and then sticking it there. I have not stuck any of this the peony flowers. It is just kept there to know the positioning of the baby's breath first. We are just finishing the leaves. We'll go to the baby's breath as a second layer now. So now I did not have the candle ready, so I'm just like keeping a can there to give me the positioning of the candle when it comes. So here as you see, the baby's breath flowers have been stuck there. We need to give position. Make sure you keep some box or vessel or the candle in between, so that you don't stick all the way inside. It has to be on the border, so that you give enough place for the candle to stay in the middle. So now what we are going to do is like my next step would be to stick all these flowers over here onto the sheet. So this is the final product. See, I've stuck the leaves, the flowers and the baby's breath. This is how it looks. Isn't this beautiful? Please try by yourself and let me know your questions in the comments. Thank you.